How to connect brokers to MetaTrader 5. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now, I'm currently in MetaTrader 5 and the first thing that it is requiring you to do is to connect an account or add a trading account. So the trading accounts are your broker accounts. So if you click on add trading accounts over here, it will prompt you to look for your broker that you currently have an account in. There are many types of brokers out there and simply search it over here. So for example, we have Black Bull over here, as you can see. So as you type, you will be able to see all kinds of brokers that would appear with the similar name as you can see here. So if you can't find the broker that you have, you can simply click on can't find your broker over here and it will ask you to contact MetaQuotes Ltd so that you will be able to add them to the list and be able to connect and utilize MetaTrader 5. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.